Alright, so let's check this puppy out. Hey, what up guys, Rado here, and we have this YZ125 build, second step here. Engine is all clean, we hydroblasted it, now we're gonna take it apart. We are at Parapros garage, so Brad will take care of this engine. I'll put it on his bench and then he will take it from here. Let's get busy. Guys, if you do a project like this and you need parts for your dirt bike, you know that you can find majority of these products in your local dealer store. You don't need to buy it online. You can just go to your local store and pick it up. And if you want to know what they have in stock, you can jump on PureMoto.com and you can search inventory of your local store online and then drive down to the store and just pick it up. Alright, Brett, that took like 45 minutes, man. This is a cute little engine, right?
Yep.
So what do you think, what kind of damage we have here, what needs to be done?
It's not bad. Cylinder needs to be done. Tranny's good, needs new clutch.
We were surprised how good the tranny is after, I don't know how many hours this bike has, but 2001, what would you estimate on 2001 bike?
I mean, I'm sure it had a bunch of hours, but it's still not too bad. Clutch basket's warm.
Yeah.
You know, they put new pistons in it, but it was still pretty warm. But tranny was good, cylinder's no good. Get that fixed, new crank, all that good stuff.
Alright, so we're gonna do Tom Morgan Racing will do a cylinder for us. We're gonna port it and we do some head mounts there. We'll do new Nika seal for the cylinder. We're gonna get new piston and all that. New complete clutch because the basket wasn't good and this also doesn't look that good. We'll take care of that. We'll do some Cerakoting. I think we're gonna go with gunmetal gray.
Yeah.
On some of the parts, not too crazy though.
Yeah.
Right, this time not too crazy. Also, we're gonna keep a lot of raw aluminum, so the bike kind of looks stock, at least to some point. And then yeah, we'll be putting back together everything. We may be ready in like a couple of weeks when we get everything back. And then I will see you guys. I'll be here in Parapros garage, and we'll put everything back together. Brett, thanks a lot for helping again. Great job, and you guys don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.